Okay, question number 15 on page 551. What happens to the current in the other two lamps if one lamp in a 3-lamp parallel circuit burns out? Explain in words and pictures. Okay, it didn't say that in the book, but I just added that last part. So let's draw a picture. So we've got a circuit. So let's draw a battery. It doesn't tell us the voltage or anything. But we've got 3 lamps. Now you can draw them as lamps, and I think this is what one group did, group 4. They actually drew little lamps. Okay. Some of them had personality. They were smiling, you know. Okay. But I'm not going to draw all the lamps like this because I'm lazy. So I'm just going to draw them as resistors. Okay. Now, let's say this lamp, which is really is a resistor, is anything that uses the energy that's in a circuit and, you know, disperses it. Like you can consider a motor, a lamp, you know, anything that uses that energy. And this thing burns out. Bzz. Now, what happens to the other 2? Well, there's still a conducting path. And they still have the same voltage drop. So they still have current going through them. The other 2 still have the same voltage. So what happens to the current and the others? Well, they have the same current, or the same voltage, so they have the same current. So they burn just as bright. Okay, and this is the advantage of parallel circuits. If one of them burns out, it doesn't affect the other 2. Now, what is affected in here? These guys have the same current, but there's now no more current flowing through here. So there's less current having to be produced by the battery or the wall socket or whatever. So there's less current, there's less total current, but the current through the other lamps is not affected. Because they're in parallel, they have the same voltage drop, there's still a conducting path, so everything is fine. And that is the answer to that. Any questions? Okay. Yes?
Are we going to get any points if we drew the other one and answered as if it was the other one? Because if we did the right work, even though you said parallel.
No. That is all.